How to transfer a ticket from Apple Wallet to someone else. Here's what we have to do. First, load up the Apple Wallet app, and then here we will need to find the ticket which we want to transfer. Simply click on the ticket. I'm going to pretend like this is the ticket itself. And now we just need to follow these instructions here. So after we have opened the wallet app and we have selected the password ticket that we want to share, in the top right corner you should have 3 dots like this. We need to click on that and then choose Pass Details. If you are able to share your ticket, you should see an info button, and you might not have the option to share it if you see the info button. But if you see the 3 dots, you click on it and then you will see an option to share the ticket itself. It looks like this, the share button. So simply click on it and then you can choose the person whom you want to give the ticket to or whom you want to share the ticket with. So that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.